World Pasta Day. World Pasta Day is an annual feast celebrated on October 25th of every year. The origin of the day dates back to 1995, started by 40 pasta producers who decided to form a World Pasta Congress. World Pasta Congress held in Rome, Italy on 25th October 1995 has established this day to celebrate the pasta. Pasta is a traditional Italian cuisine. This carbohydrate-rich food is made from unleavened dough that comes from durum wheat flour. It is a staple food for the people of Italy and the United States. In different parts of the world, pasta is referred to in different names. There are over 600 shapes of pasta with different sizes and colors. Some of them include spaghetti, vermicelli, rotini, fusilli, tortellini, macaroni, linguine, conchiglie, fettuccine, penne, and capellini. World Pasta Congress took an initiative to spread knowledge about pasta consumption among consumers. The goal behind these events is to maximize the promotion of this nutritious and sustainable food.